Welcome back to Vandemic Campervans. I'm Rick, this is Charlie. We're both here to show you our latest client build. It's a 144 4x4 Sprinter done up in our shelter build, and we cannot wait to show you. Starting off in the kitchen, we have a deep bar sink with a black stainless steel pull-down faucet. The water pump switch and the gray water release sits just below the sink. This client opted for a 2-burner induction stove top to handle all of their cooking needs. And with the shelter build, we're able to fit a 19-inch flip up to extend the kitchen counter. Just below the stove is a generous cutlery drawer. And below that is Charlie's favorite piece, the Isotherm Cruise 85 fridge freezer combo. Under the sink, you'll find a good amount of storage, the on and off to the 12-volt water heater, and the Blue Technologies water filter. On the driver's side, there's an additional counter space area, 4 more drawers, and a built-in step to make getting in and out of bed a lot easier. The living room has 2 medium-sized overhead cabinets for plenty of storage. Above that counter is the controller for the inverter, the battery monitor, the thermostat for the S-bar heater, and a switch for some mood lighting above the window. We use a large AMA slider window, which comes with a screen and allows a ton of light into the van. But when it's time to block that light out, you've got a beautiful blackout pull-down shade for privacy. Under the living room seat is storage for a toilet. It's big enough to fit a variety of different types of toilets as well. There's 2 more overhead cabinets in the bedroom. There's another zone of lights separate for the bedroom, and 2 reading lights that each have a built-in USB outlet. The shelter build is equipped with 2 max air fans, which really helps regulate the interior temperature of the van. The garage houses all of the electrical components, including a 3,000 watt inverter, a battery-to-battery, solar charge controller, and a robust 460 amp hours of lithium. Also in the garage is the 2.5 gallon 12-volt water heater. And finally, you've got the window to the 20-gallon freshwater tank, outdoor shower, and the water fill intake. Van Essentials came out with some great rear door storage panels this year, so we installed those to maximize and use the entire van. On to the exterior. We added an Owl Van storage box with 2 of their bike racks above that. This van also has the Low Pro roof rack and ladder from Flatline Van Co, which also houses 2 150-watt solar panels up top. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. Do us a favor, in the comments below, let us know what you liked about this build or maybe what you didn't. It helps us out in the future as we grow. We are taking more builds on. Our next opening is January 2025. If you have any interest in a Sprinter or a Promaster, make sure you reach out to us and we'd love to help you, and we'll catch you on the road.